Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the no sound detected in CapCut problem. So if you want to add audio or music into your CapCut edits but you cannot find it in the CapCut in here. So for example, I'm going to click on audio, sound, and here I'm going to click on this folder icon to find the audio from my device. And let's say the file is on my library, but I cannot find here on CapCut. So it probably because it doesn't come with the right format that is compatible in CapCut, or you can just find it in here. So here I'm going to show you how you can solve that. First, you can just find the file first on your file library. For example, in here I'm going to go to audio. Okay, so for example, I cannot find this audio on my CapCut. So what you need to do is just move the file first. So let's click on the three dot icon and click on the move to. So I'm going to just move it to the internal storage. For example, here I'm going to move it to music. Click on move here. Okay, so after that you can try to find it on a CapCut again. So click on the add audio, sound, and click on the folder icon, click on device, and in here let's click on search here. Okay, so you can see the file is now there on my CapCut, and you can just click on the plus icon. But if you cannot still find the file, you can just go to your browser and find the MP3 converter. So in here, open your browser and just find audio or MP3 converter. Click on enter, just find, okay, for example this one, and here you can just choose the file, upload the file in here and convert it into MP3 or to the right format that acceptable to in CapCut. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.